State Chief Minister who's actually supposed to have been fighting for this cause, in spite of the fact that he was against this month. But it was a huge success, and this is because the entire state of 5 crore people, we want special status. That's the only reason. Special status is the only thing that can give us employment other than monetary considerations. The major benefit by attaining special status is only special categories status states would have 100% income tax exemptions, 100% excise duty exemptions. Current power would be available at 50% of the cost. Even the freight charges would be reimbursed. Such kind of incentives are available only to special category states. Okay, other than the fact that the amount what is given by the center, 90% of it would be grant, and only 10% would be loan. Vice versa when compared to non-special category states where grant component would only be 30%. Other than these aspects, the most important aspect is it will create employment. See, once Hyderabad is out of Andhra Pradesh, 98% of software is in Hyderabad. Today, anybody who has got a graduate degree looks at Hyderabad because there is no other place to go. Today, 70% of manufacturing is only in Hyderabad. For us to create another Hyderabad without special category status, it would take another 60 years. But only through special category status, this state could create another Hyderabad. In fact, if special category status is granted, the entire 13 districts, every district would become a Hyderabad. And this is something what we are not asking. What we are not asking out of turn. This is something what has been promised to us on the floor of the parliament. The opposition parties and the ruling party together, they have given us this word on the floor of the house, and then they've broken our state. See, it was a commitment given, and then the state was broken. Now, after the state has been broken, how can you go back on the commitment given? How is this fair? See, this is our right, and we are just asking for our right. This is to be given to us.
So earlier it was Congress, during the bifurcation it was Congress whom you blamed for and backward on this.
I think you should ask Chandrababu Naidu and Narendra Modi ji why they are backing out.
Sir, my final question, sir. Chandrababu Naidu, the TDP is an ally of this government, the central government as well. They are ally here in the state also. You will demand they should resign immediately. They should immediately quit the alliance and stand with you on this fight of special status.
In fact, we've been demanding this for a very long time. Why is it that Chandrababu Naidu, in spite of the fact that the other day in the parliament, when Arun Jaitley ji made it very clear that special status is something what cannot be given, why is Chandrababu Naidu continuing in the ministry, in central? Isn't it minimum on Chandrababu Naidu's part to come out of the ministry and to protest against this when you're fighting for a state? This is something what being the chief minister of a state, you should actually spearhead this campaign, because this is not something what is pertaining to your house or you alone. This is pertaining to 5 crore people. This is pertaining to a state of Andhra Pradesh, and this is something what BJP and TDP together have given a promise, have campaigned in the elections, have released manifestos, and now they're breaching. How is this fair? Whether it is Congress, whether it is TDP, whether it is BJP, anybody who has done a mistake mistakes if they are done, they should be criticized. And today, Chandrababu Naidu, being Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, is compromising our state. That's the worst.